Hi guys, this is Toyota Land Cruiser V8. So I'm going to do the reset for the fuel maintenance lights. You can see the cluster, the fuel light is message is on. So first we have to ignition off, and then after you have to unplug the connector of the fuel filter. We can off this connector and the disconnector, both nearly 1 minute. Okay, we unplug the connector, then ignition on. Okay, leave 1 minute, then after put back the connector. Okay guys, after 1 minute I put back all the two connectors. Okay guys, we put back the connector, ignition off, then again start. Okay, see the light is reset. So that's the how is the reset for the fuel light for the Toyota Land Cruiser V8, the 2012 onward. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.